Hi, good morning. Nandito ako ngayon sa Canada. Exactly, nandito ako sa I don't know what this place is, but napakaganda na lugar nito. Magandang lugar, aesthetic yung mga... Actually, this is a commercial area eh. May mga kainan dito. May mga sushi. These buildings actually are restaurants and establishments. So parang residential area, but this is a commercial area. So ngayon, I'll give you a review of a car here in Canada na Ford Escape. Ito yun. Ito yung dinadrive ko ngayon dito sa Canada for our duration of our vacation here in Canada. It's a hybrid plug-in Ford Escape, fully automatic. Ang ganda ng coaching ito. Yan. Nakikita nyo. It's a very nice car. Still very nice car. Ito yung front side ng kotse. Yan. So, ito yung environment dito. Napakaganda. And this is the car that I'm driving right now. Dito yung tinatawag na charge port ng pag binuksan mo, ipupush mo lang. There it is. Kikita nyo. Ito yung charging port nya. Hindi kamukha nung sa Tesla. Iba yung charging port nito. Ito yung sa gasoline fill up compartment nya. So ang gulong nya is a Michelin 560 R18. So pasok tayo sa loob para makita natin yung features nito. So ito yung sa loob ng Ford na ginagamit ngayon. Ito yung compartment area. Ipupush mo lang dito sa underside nito, and it automatically rise up. Yan. And if I was to close it, just put this, press this one, automatic close din yan. So yun, nag-automatic lock yan. And when you want to lock it, touch mode lahat ito. Just slide your finger like that. Narinig yung click, nag-lock na. So hindi mo na mabubuksan to. Pag gusto mo buksan, you just hold that handle. Hold mo lang itong handle na ito. Click, then it opens. Fasten your seatbelt and we're ready to roll.